Let's do a follow-up to our summer prune. Let me show you how some of the branches are reacting and how I cut it, and show you how things are going. Well, here's my variegated pink Eureka lemon. Earlier, or late in the fall, or early fall actually, late summer, I did a prune on this beauty. It's looking great. It's flushing. I got blooms everywhere, fruit, new fruit coming. There's another one down there somewhere. Another one that's started all the way up to I'll be harvesting some pink Eureka lemons here another month or so, give or take, depends on the ripening process. But here's a branch I did a deadhead cut on. It was coming way out here, and I cut it down to here. You can see where the cut was, right there where it's darker. But now you see where it's flushing. I got a branch right here coming out to fill out this area, which I wanted. You never know truly which one's going to take off. And then you can see down here, I got one that's going to be coming out this way, and one to come up to fill all the empty areas. So that is what pruning can do. It shapes it, and it can also make it bush out to fill out the empty areas and make it fuller and more vibrant. Now let's go over to my, I believe it's my blood morel. Be right back. Alrighty, we're at the blood morel orange. Got a couple fruit that are almost getting done to be ripening. Fantastic. But let's go over to this branch right here I wanted to show you. Right here, where my finger is where I cut it. It was getting too lanky, and I wanted to trim it down. So back at this node here, it had just one leaf, which is this big one right here. And now on this particular one, it flushed straight up, and it's going to be continuing growing. As it gets bigger, I'll probably cut that particular branch again, and I see some flushing on this nodule right here, which will fill out this area right here. So I just want to give you an example and show you when you prune what your tree could possibly do. So that was just a quick little update on how the summer prune went, and just some examples on how when you prune and the directions they go. Hey, drop a like, drop a sub. I'll see you in the next one.